Okay guys, this is going to be an interesting flight. This is my 800 millimeter Corsair that had major catastrophe accident. We've tried to put it back together, rebuild it, and it looks like it might do okay. If you remember from the previous video, this was a wreck. The only difference is now I've got some armament on it. We got some rocket pods here. So let's see if we've got control the way we're supposed to. Left aileron, right aileron, elevators up and down, left, right. Use the rate controls.
High rates.
This is going to be safe or not. Let's check it and see. Okay, safe looks good. Let's give it a little bit of power. See what happens. Okay. Now we'll give it a shot. We'll see what happens with this. Four and a half minutes. Again, we're going to see if this flies correctly. By all rights, the previous crash was an ordeal. So, all right, now we'll get on a flight line. We're clear. A little evening flight. Let's give it a little bit of throttle. She's away. Huh. She flies. How about that? That prop's pretty loud, kind of like it needs to be balanced or something. Let's see if we can get a look at these rocket pods this time. For strafing run and a loop. How about that? Nice. All right, let's bring it in. We got no wheels on this, that's okay. Trying to see if we can do a belly land. And we're good. It worked. Not bad for being crushed. Now if I can just balance this prop out will be in good shape.